Good morning, guys. I have my sidekick here, Buddy. He was in his chair and he was crying. By the time this video goes up, I would have a vlog up. I think after this video, I will have another video go up, which is the office vlog. I think. We'll see. The office vlog is up somewhere. But anyways, I just thought I would start the vlog now. We are going to the movies tonight. I'm sorry if the camera's shaky. It's just this tripod. So I'm going to actually make Buddy stop crying, and then we're gonna figure out what we're gonna do. I'm gonna make a little to-do list of things I want to do. Probably film it for the other channel. Show you guys. I also got new coffee, but I'll show you. You know, I need to write a list of everything I need to show you guys. But first, what I want to show you is we got a new light, and I will show you guys that in a little bit. But we got a new light for the living room because our last light broke, and I can go into a whole little short story time for that. So yeah, so let me figure out what Buddy needs, and then I'm gonna make a little to-do list, and then we're gonna go on from that. And I just realized I need to change the calendar out here. Okay guys, I got Buddy to stop crying for a short amount of time. So let's see how long he will stop for. But anyways, Jason went to the store because we're gonna have Skyline chili tonight. And he found the recipe online. I'm like thinking like, could we film it for you? I don't know. I feel like because it's like a lot of like stuff that needs to go into it, so maybe in the near future we can film that for you guys. But anyways, I saw this at work yesterday, the Holiday Creamy Vanilla, and I love trying new Cokes for some reason. So Jason got it. It's not zero sugar. He prefers zero sugar, but so. Jason?
Huh?
Do you like vanilla Coke?
Yeah. I haven't had it in a long time.
It smells like vanilla Coke, but let's see how creamy it is. Okay. Tastes a little different than the vanilla Coke.
Not bad.
Tastes like vanilla Coke, but it's good. Get it, guys. Our new ceiling fan. I don't have the link for it, but it just, I think his mom got it off of Amazon. It like crystals. It has like a remote, so yeah, I like it. It's very bright in here now. So, and it comes with a remote, like I said. This is the brand. That's the brand.